SafeLink Wireless, providing free or low-cost service through the Lifeline program, allows you to easily check your minutes, data, and service days. As of today, September 30th, 2025, you can check your balance using the SafeLink app by sending a text message or through the SafeLink website. The service provides eligible users with unlimited talk and text and 10 gigabytes of high-speed data. Checking your balance regularly helps you monitor your usage and avoid interruptions. All three methods are free to use, ensuring you stay connected. Here's how to check your balance using each method. For the app method, download the SafeLink or TrackPhone app available on iOS and Android. Log into your account and view your balance on the dashboard. This provides real-time updates and is preferred by most users. For the text method, send BAIL to 611611 from your SafeLink phone. You'll receive a text message with your minutes, data, and service days. For the web method, visit myaccount.safelink.com, sign in, and access your account dashboard for a detailed breakdown of your usage and service status.